Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And in today's video, I'm doing a collaboration with Boowan Nicole. And I'm using one of their most radiant creations. It's the Sun Totem candle jar mold. This isn't just any jar, it's a vessel designed to hold handmade candle. I'll be creating that candle later this week, so be sure that you're subscribed. You won't want to be missing that. And I'll be doing another surprise candle that you might have seen from a previous video. Now I'm going to link that above so you can see that preview. For this piece, I'll be using Mix to Mold by Brea Reese. It's a beautiful white ceramic resin that gives this piece a natural stone-like finish. I'll be brushing the sun's face with cinnamon from This Little Piggy. It's a warm coppery tone that radiates comfort and a grounding energy. And for a little extra magic, I'm mixing in the shimmering copper and rainbow flakes that'll catch the light in the most enchanting way. As I start, let's talk about what inspired me to create this piece in honor of Mother's Day. It's the sun, of course. The sun is one of the most oldest and most powerful symbols in life. In many cultures, it's been connected to the divine feminine. Why? Because the sun gives life. It nourishes, it warms, it rises without fail, and mothers are no different. A mother's love is like sunlight. It may not always be seen directly, but it's always felt. It helps things grow, it shows up every day, and even when the skies are cloudy, even when she's tired, even when she has nothing left, she still rises and shines. And daughters, well, they carry that light within them too. And when a daughter becomes a mother, it's like a second sunrise. A new light appears in the sky, and it's born from the same fire. This Mother's Day, I want to take a moment and honor not only our own mothers, but also the daughters and daughter-in-laws who are walking the same path now. Sometimes we forget. They're not just daughters anymore. They're givers of life, teachers of kindness, creators of homes, and the light that guides the next generation. Daughters carry forward family traditions, blending them with their own strength and style. They add something new, something vibrant, something uniquely theirs. Watching your daughter grow into a mother is one of life's most sacred transitions. And then there's our daughter-in-laws, the women who choose our families and who choose to love. They come into our lives and bring new joy, fresh perspectives, and a different kind of grace. They nurture our grandchildren, create beautiful homes, contribute to the legacy of love in ways we never could have imagined. Let's not just celebrate them silently, let's lift them, because every mother, no matter how she came into that role, deserves to be honored for the love she pours out every single day. As I create this Sun Totem jar, I keep returning to the symbolism this jar will hold: a candle, a flame, a light. There's something deeply poetic about that. We are building a vessel today that will literally hold light, just as mothers hold light for their families. This jar, like a mother's heart, is strong and beautiful. It carries warmth and protection, and once a candle is placed inside, it will glow from within. And isn't that the truth of motherhood? The glow doesn't come from the surface, it comes from within, from the quiet strength the resilience, the moment when no one is watching but love is still being given. Across cultures and throughout time, the connection between mothers and the sun has appeared again and again. In ancient Egypt, the goddess Hathor was a divine mother and was often associated with the sun. And in our everyday lives, we see it too, a mother's warmth, her ability to brighten a day with a smile, to heal with a touch, to comfort with a word, to guide like the sun rising over a dark horizon. Even when mothers are no longer physically with us, their light stays. We carry it in our memories. The recipes we cook, the ways we love our children, the ways we forgive, and how we endure. That light never goes out. It simply changes form. It becomes a part of us. So today, as we build this candle jar, we're not just crafting a home for a flame, we're honoring the light of mothers, daughters, daughter-in-laws, and the beautiful interwoven family bonds that make life worth celebrating. As we wrap up today's creation, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Who are you celebrating this Mother's Day? Is it your mom, your daughter, a dear friend who became like a mother to you? Let's fill this comment section with stories of love and light. And let's not forget, later this week, I'll be pouring the candle for this jar and working on that second surprise mold as well. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs a little sunshine today. And don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell. You're not going to want to miss that candle reveal. And to all the women who light our lives, thank you. To all the daughters learning how to rise like the sun, keep shining. And to all the mothers, past and present, whose love made us who we are, this piece is for you. Here's a small poem. She walks in light, an ode to the ancient mother. Before time was named, she rose in the sun, bearer of warmth where life had just begun. She carried the fire in her breath in her hands, the wisdom of the stars and the pulse of the land. Her voice was the wind, her touch was the rain. Her tears fed the rivers, her joy bloomed the grain. She kindled the dawn with the heart of her kin, lighting the path from without and within. Not just a mother, but the keeper of flame, she walks with the ancients who whispered her name. In every sunrise, her spirit is spun. She is the mother, she is the sun. Don't forget, if you haven't made a friend today, this is your chance. Take a look at your neighbor and make a friend today. Before we go, I'd like to take a moment and thank my wonderful subscribers and my cherished members and the many who left me blessings last week. Your kindness, your support, and your heartfelt words truly humbled me and reminded me why this community means so much. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you, each and every one. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time. I Should Craft a Kids Club. My YouTube daughter will be following me next. Thank you for coming. See you soon. Bye-bye now. Happy Mother's Day.